Watch this. The perfect whiskey pour isn't just about the liquid, it's about the artistry in every single detail. From the moment that amber spirit hits the frosted glass, something magical happens. See those tiny condensation droplets forming on the exterior? That's your whiskey breathing, telling you it's ready. The subtle liquid swirls as it settles aren't just physics, they're poetry in motion. Under focused studio lighting, every element becomes a masterpiece. The frosted whiskey glass catches the light just right, creating shadows and highlights that dance with each gentle movement. This is drink photography artistry at its finest. But more than that, it's the ritual that every whiskey aficionado understands. The anticipation builds as those droplets gather, as the liquid finds its perfect stillness. Because true whiskey appreciation starts before the first sip. It begins with this moment, when craft meets art, and every detail matters. This is what separates the connoisseur from the casual drinker, the appreciation of perfection in its purest form.